Reconciling your bank account in Zoho Books is one of the best ways to make sure your financial records stay accurate. Let's walk through the process after you've uploaded your bank statement. From the dashboard, head to the Active Accounts section. This is where all your linked bank accounts are displayed. Find the account you'd like to reconcile, then open it to view its recent transactions. Next, look for the Reconcile Account option. Clicking this takes you to the reconciliation screen, designed specifically for comparing your uploaded bank statement with the transactions recorded in Zoho Books. Here, double-check that your uploaded statement is visible. Now carefully review the entries. Your goal is to confirm that each transaction in your statement matches what's in Zoho Books. If you see discrepancies, you'll be prompted to make adjustments before moving forward. Once everything looks accurate, click Start Reconciliation. This confirms that all transactions are accounted for, and your account is now officially reconciled. And that's it. Your financial records are now up to date. Regular reconciliation like this helps you catch issues early and keeps your books clean and reliable.